Hello, Adrian, and hello, everyone watching.
Hello, everybody.
Today, we want to talk a little bit about the power of coaching. And I know, Adrian, you did something that very few people do. You reached in your own pocket a few years back when you were still a mechanical engineer and you hired a coach. How was this experience for you?
Yes, that's true. I did hire a coach, and I found this experience extremely valuable. My coach helped me discover many of my blind spots, and with that, I became a better employee, a better colleague, and I think every single person in a job should have a coach, uh, and you won't understand the value unless you experience. Now, Karin, I know that you work with many people in the manufacturing industry. Could you please share one of the many success stories that you have working as a coach?
Oh my goodness, there are so many. I just, truly enjoy it when I see progress in people and when they learn new tools and techniques that help them to become more successful, either in business or in life. But one of my most recent success stories was actually last week when one of my coaches told me that she actually now doesn't see the task or the work area so much anymore. She sees people and she knows how important it is to keep her emotions in check and have good conversations with people and to really understand better from what holds them back from performing at their best. So for me, this was just such a huge win. Um, Coming from a person who literally is very task and outcome oriented, that she totally shifted uh, the way how she looked at her challenges.
Oh, that's a great, great story. Thank you for sharing.
And Adrian, do you have one of your favorite client moments? You work as a coach now yourself for the past how many years? More than five
Oh,
years now.
more than 5 years. Yeah, I do have one story that comes to mind right now. Um, I was working with this manager who came into coaching feeling overwhelmed, quite burnt out, didn't see the light at the end of the tunnel. It seemed like the pile of tasks was getting bigger and bigger instead of smaller and smaller. And I worked with him and helped him to see the other side of the picture that he wasn't seeing before. He struggled a lot delegating. He never actually built rapport with his team members. And the moment he started doing that, he got to know them better. His delegation skills improved because he knew who the right person for the job was. And eventually things started to work out better for him. However, the progress that he made was significantly accelerated by the support that he got from his boss. Coaching and a strong desire to become better can help someone uh, to get to a certain point. However, if the boss is not helping his employee, it doesn't work that easy and doesn't happen that fast. But in this case, in my client's case, sharing his goals and his agenda with his boss gave his boss a good understanding what he wants to achieve and fully supported it. So
Mm.
this was something that I really enjoyed working with manager.
This is such a great point because I have experienced often that people get sent into coaching with the expectation that we as coaches fix people. And
Yes.
this is simply not the case. So we are not there. The boss is there and the boss can help and support. So hopefully we made you all think a little bit about coaching. And this was our thought for today. And we will most definitely see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.